All right, it's ready to go, man. Top Dog Tracy, he's still out in the Bahamas. The guy takes a lot of vacation, let me tell you. So we got Jose 2.0 and Don't Know, because he don't know, are taking care of this job. And they're killing it, man. So they got the whole front set up because they're not gonna be able to spray this house out in one day. So they got the whole front set up and they're gonna start spraying. And then it's supposed to rain tomorrow. So they're gonna spray the front and then finish on, clean up and then finish on Monday. That's where we're at. Okay guys, another absolutely amazing job. This was done by Jose 2.0 and Don't Know. And these guys, this is the first job they took on by themselves completely. They did everything by themselves, orchestrated it, prepped it, sprayed it. And let me tell you, I can't be happier, man. These guys came through and did an absolute phenomenal job. Always at the highest quality of work. Always. Everything. These guys, I can't speak higher. I'm tell you just like that. If you want the best, believe me, call the best. Because this team is they're amazing. I feel bad because they had to do it all, just two guys. But fortunate enough, I was able to get two more guys. Two more guys are coming on next week. So we're back in action. Top Dog Tracy is under the weather. And when he gets back up and going, you see his grouchy self here too. But until then, we're knocking it out. There's Don't Know. Look at what we do. Look how we do it. Pick up all of our mess. This place is better than it was when we found it, I promise you. Yep. Everything gets cleaned up. And that's just the protocol. These guys, damn. So there we have it. Chico's favorite painter, and the dream team. Making it happen. Give us a call. We have 2 more exteriors to do for this year. Hopefully it doesn't rain. And then we got interiors. But we are booking for interiors for next year. We already got 3 weeks in on spring. So get on the schedule. Have a wonderful day. Look how beautiful that door is. Have a great day. Mr. Shockley, thanks for the referral.